Good morning, everyone. Well, what a night. Wow, what a night. Wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. I thought my tent was going to blow down. There's at least a quart or like a liter of sand in my tent this morning, all over my pad. It was in my nose, my eyes. It was quite an experience. But the tent held up like a champ. It was awesome. Anyways, short one today, 10 miles. Again, massive winds, quite a lot of heat, and straight downhill to the I-10 underpass. And then I go into one of these towns for the night and make my way up north to do the rest of the section. We're going to call this part done. Fuller Ridge is done. Well, it's half done. I still got 9 miles, but anyway, let's go get it. Wow, another 200 marker. But according to Far Out, 200 was like 2 miles back. So I don't know what that's about. Hey buddy, what you doing? Okay, so I think I'm going to take a little break. Got about 2.4 to the bottom and then a 4-mile road walk. And that gets us to the I-10 Oasis, what's called the Oasis. There should be water a little ways down. And I got to get back into Banning, I think, before I head out. That's the way I have to go anyways, is towards San Bernardino. So check this out. This is nice, eh? It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Anyways, it's been a rough descent, a 20-mile descent. And this part's nice, but we were bushwhacking all the way down. And then last night's windstorm was a doozy. I think I got sand in my brain. Okay, so yeah, 2.4 to the bottom, and then another 3.5, not quite 4, sorry, down to the highway. So I'm gonna call my friend in Banning and see if I can get a ride, and then just sort some stuff out. I want to go to Sizzlers. They have a Sizzlers here, and yeah, we're really moving today. It's only like 9 o'clock. We were out the door around 6:45, and two of us are going to Palm Springs. I'm going the other way. 3 of us are skipping ahead, and 2 are getting off trail. So out of the 5, there will be three remaining. So yeah, it's fun. It's fun hanging out with some people for a while. Oh, and they're all Canadian. Who would have knew? And we're off. Yo, yo.
doable. Nothing about nothing.
Well in the street, so he's like, we gotta get through.
What a cool sign.
How far will Tamarack get me down? How close?
Can't really see it.
Can't see it?
Okay, so I'm at the Uber. Well, where the Uber's gonna pick me up. I'm going to the steakhouse, going to Sizzlers, and then over to the hotel. And I'm gonna spend 2 nights in a hotel, and then I'll figure out what I'm doing. Cool. And my Canadian friends here that I just met, they're on the other side of the road waiting for their Uber.